Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply your concealer and make it look as flawless as possible, trying to avoid any creasing. So I'm gonna show you the before and after. I don't have super dark circles, but there's definitely a lot of redness underneath my eye. And of course, everyone has those fine lines underneath your eyes, especially when you blink. This is normal, so don't expect to be able to remove this completely because we all have fine lines, and of course you don't want to emphasize them, but you also have to kind of accept the fact that you have lines underneath your eyes. If you're watching this and you don't have lines, I'm really jealous and you're really lucky, but I think most people do have some lines underneath their eyes. The first thing I always do is use a eye cream, and then I will apply my foundation because I always apply my concealer after foundation. So I wanted to kind of include it in the video, but it's not really important. We're focusing on concealer. So I'm using this Tarte Cosmetic Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using it in the shade medium, light medium, but I will make sure to put all the products in the description bar. And I'm gonna apply a few dots underneath the eye. And the thing that I think is best is to use your finger, especially if you want most color payoff, like most pigment. You want to use your finger because a brush and a beauty blender or a sponge, whatever you use, is gonna soak up some of the product. Your finger is not gonna soak it up, so you will get the most out of the product that you apply. It will give you the most coverage, if you know what I mean. So after doing that, I am going in with a sponge, really light-handed, because I want to kind of like get rid of the excess product, because if you use too much product, it's gonna crease more easily. So I'm just gonna let it set for a few minutes or a minute or so. Then what you would like to do is kind of go back in with the beauty blender and get rid of the excess product. And then I'm going in with some loose powder and pressing this onto my skin. This is what I always do. If you have really dry skin, you maybe want to avoid using too much powder, but this is what I always do, and it works really well for me. You guys always see my eyes in my videos super up close. I make up close pictures for my Instagram, and I always get compliments on my under eyes. Like, I still have some lines, but I think this is something we all have to accept. Like, if you have some lines, it's really hard to make them look invisible, but you don't want to emphasize that they look even worse. But yeah, this is the way I do it. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!